Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show next Samsung One UI 8 beta update in India. This is my Samsung S25 Ultra running the One UI 8 beta 1. Now here we got the next One UI 8 beta update. To check it, go to settings on your Samsung S25 series. In India, scroll down up to the software update. Tap on a software update. Tap on the download and install. Make sure your phone is connected with the Wi-Fi to quickly download and install the One UI 8 beta next update. Now here you can see the version One UI 8 ZYFA. Here you can see the list of bugs that have been fixed in this latest One UI 8 beta update on my S25 Ultra. You can check it on your Samsung S25 series. Here you can see the list of different bugs. App updates, update information, One UI version 8.0, Android version 16, version update size 1162.66 MB, and this January security page level 1 June 2025. So here you can find the list of bug fix the old app issue between the status bar of the recent apps and the running app menu in specific status of navigation bar. Fix the issue on the keyboard input occur only when robot reboot security folder pin. Improve the issue that intermittently lengthen loading time when entering mode routine menu. Fix the text input error using the gesture on keyboard screen. Fix text input S Pen to text error with S Pen. Added backscreen preview to laboratory. SW stabilization through updates to many apps and many other improvements. So this is all about latest One UI 8 beta update in India for the Samsung S25 series. So check on your software device and download it on your device. Now we start it. Here you can see check download One UI 8 beta on my Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you have any Samsung S25 series and running the One UI 8 beta already, you can check for the next One UI 8 beta update. So wait, after complete the installation, we check what's the new feature available in this. I will explain all the new features in the latest One UI 8 beta in my next video. So stay and connect with us. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy S25 series like S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, S25 or S25 Edge in India, you can check if One UI 8 beta update is available or not. If you want to join the beta program on your Samsung device, you need to use the Samsung members app. Otherwise, you can check the video for how to join the One UI 8 beta. That link in the description below, or you can also find it I button on this video. That's it. Like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.